it has the feature for that, and that module also maintain the insurance, long-term insurance, short-term disability insurance. There are also the option for the new hire enrollment, open enrollment, and change based on the live events such as the marriage and birth. It has the staffing intel features such as the position management, headcount management, and job management. It has the development module, and development help to support business performance through talent management with the focus on the technical skill, project roles, training and certification, as well as tracking award and accolades. And it is for the development of employee, means employee, how can employee enhance their skill. It will provide the skill path, it will provide the training, it will provide the certification, so it will for to enhancing the human resources. Another is the performance management. What the performance management do? It involves the performance review and follow-up management that covers the compensation, performance plans, and disciplinary actions. So you can manage your employees' performance with the help of performance management module. Next cloud provider is a Taleo. It is also a SaaS provider for the HR. What can do with the help of Taleo? Recruitment. Firstly, you can do the recruitment. The model tracks and manage the each job opening with clearly defined ownership. User can post opportunity to the internal career site or expand to the external free and paid job. It offers background checks, application pre-screening, as well as a candidate ranking based on the answer to the online or phone questions. It also ensures hiring system is compliant with the federal, state, local regulation and process. So you can maintain your recruitment, and you can obey all of the rules of the government with the help of recruitment module of Taleo. Second is the performance management. It is for the managing the performance of performance of the employee. So what can user do? User can establish quantitative and qualitative employee goals, define expectation, and align employee goals to broader company goals. And see, he can provide the any businessman can give the certain goals which has to be reached by the employee, and also certain department goals as well. Employee life cycle, it is a module. It can package forms into the bundle. It may bundle the forms and then create new hire packets for the various job types and locations. Career management. This system encourages the employee to further their personal development and help them to stay on track. So it is just like a path career track. It provides the path career track. You seen certain websites which provide the skill set path. If you want to acquire certain skill, then it is provide the skill set path. Same here, a career management tool is providing the path to the career. If you want to develop yourself, in that case you have to follow these certain marks and certain skills. Another module is the succession planning. Planning increases the visibility into a team's capability and supports executive decision making. Succession plan couples individual career plan with the data captured in the performance review performance process to create backfile strategies. The notion of succession pools represent candidates in the succession shortlist who are not necessarily officially included in the plan. The system tracks candidates' readiness based on the skill, competence, and performance, and make it easier to promote top candidates based on the relative ranking and composite feedback scores. So, who will promote, who will not promote, that is managed by this succession planning. So you can promote your employee who is deserving based on this module. After that, another important components of any business, or you may say that it is the most important component for any business. Any business cannot survive without the financial. So to manage the financial, you have to use certain software, and here is the sum of cloud provider which is providing the software as a service for the financial. So Workday is the example of it. Also provide the